Hello viewers, today in this video I will unbox GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is a sports and action camera. It has 12 megapixel resolution camera. This is priced at 29,965 rupees in Flipkart. Inside the box there are few things. This is a pin, this is a holder, this is another holder of the camera. This is the documentation. Like this, the process is mentioned here, and there is a booklet. You can read this if you want to. There was also a Type-C cable for charging. Now coming to the action camera, this camera is very compact, but its weight is very heavy. Towards the left there is the power button. Towards the right there is nothing. At the bottom there are the ports for holding the device, and this is the display. It is an LCD display. On the top you will find the shutter button. Now let me power on this camera and give you an idea how the interface of the camera looks like. After initial boot up, you can see the camera mode is set at standard, but you can change the mode by tapping on the screen. There are standard mode. In the standard mode you can shoot at 4K 30 fps, 24 fps, 60 fps, 120 fps and 240 fps is capped at 1080p. This action camera is ideal for motorbike vlogger. They can use it for their videos. Let me change the mode and give you the idea how the camera works and what are the functions are there inside the camera. There are various modes like standards, ultra wide and slow motion. You can use it according to your preference, and you can use the resolution in which you want to shoot your videos for vlogging. This is the setting for the standard modes. Now let me go back and give you an idea about the activity mode. In the activity mode you can see there are lots of customization. There is cinematic mode and slow motion mode. In the slow motion mode you can see you can shoot 1080p videos at 240 fps, and there is also 2.7K at 1080p or 24 fps videos. So this is a great device, and you can adjust the resolution by tapping on the slider. So these are the modes that you can use while shooting the videos. This is another mode, cinematic mode. So in the video sections you can see that there are 4 modes, but you have to use SD card while shooting because this camera doesn't come with pre-installed ROM. So you have to use SD card which can support up to 128 GB. The camera resolution of this camera is 12 megapixel. Don't go by the 12 megapixel. Look at the sensor size. This is great for action mode. And there is another display. As you can see, this display will show you the modes and the charging percentage and the type of shooting. The weight of this camera is much more, and you can feel the sturdiness by holding this device. Various types of modes are available in this camera for the vlogger. The battery section is located in this side. As you can see, Type-C port is also there and micro SD card slot is also there. The battery is inserted here, but if you want to use it for vlogging you have to keep another battery along with you so that you can get continuous performance from this camera, because the battery level and the battery backup of this camera is not so great. Let me put out the battery and give you an idea how the battery looks like and what is the price of the new battery. If you want to use another battery, you have to pay around 1700 rupees as a replacement battery. This is a rechargeable battery and you can recharge it with the Type-C cable by using your smartphone's adapter. So far my testing is concerned, the battery level and the battery backup of this GoPro 8 is not so great, so you have to be cautious about the battery life of this camera. So this is the unboxing of GoPro Hero 8 Black Sports and Action Camera. I hope you liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for your cooperation and watching the video till the end. Have a good day.